Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mind Detective. Today we're diving into a topic that plagues many of us, the dreaded friend zone. You know the feeling. You like this girl, you hang out, you have fun, but things never seem to progress beyond friendship. But what if I told you there are secret signs women show when they actually want you to make a move? First, let's crack the code of body language. Prolonged eye contact, especially when she holds your gaze a beat longer than feels natural, can be a sign she's digging you. Does she play with her hair or unconsciously touch her lips while looking at you? These subtle touches can be a subconscious way of drawing your attention to her. And if she finds excuses to get close, brush your arm accidentally, or stand a little too near for friendly conversation, that's her way of testing the waters and seeing if you'll reciprocate. Notice how her body subtly angles towards you. Is she leaning in when you talk, facing you directly with open arms, or mirroring your posture? These are all green lights that she's open to more than just friendly conversation. Her body language speaks volumes too. Is she sitting with her legs uncrossed, facing you directly with open arms? These are inviting postures that signal she's comfortable and open to connecting with you on a deeper level. Even subtle preening behaviors like fixing her hair or adjusting her clothes can be a subconscious way of wanting to look her best for you. Butterflies in her stomach? Look for signs of blushing, giggling, or a slightly flustered demeanor, especially when you're around. These could be hints of the physical and emotional attraction she might be feeling, but it's not just body language. Listen closely to her words and actions. Does she playfully tease you or engage in lighthearted banter that feels a bit flirtatious? That playful tension might be her way of flirting and gauging your interest. Is she curious about your dating life or future plans? Asking about your relationship status or making hypothetical romantic jokes that playfully suggest you two as a couple could be her way of dropping hints and seeing if you catch on. Does she keep finding excuses to hang out, even for short periods? This could be her way of spending more time with you and building a connection. Pay attention to how she initiates these hangouts. Does she suggest grabbing coffee, going for a walk in the park, or joining you for an activity you both enjoy? These could be subtle invitations for deeper connection outside the friend zone. And pay close attention to how she talks to you. Does she use your name a lot and make strong eye contact, lingering a beat longer than usual? This personalizes the interaction and creates a more intimate feeling. Is her voice softer or more playful when she talks to you compared to how she interacts with others? These subtle shifts in tone can be another sign that she's interested in something more. Remember, one sign alone might not mean much. But if you notice a cluster of these verbal and nonverbal cues, it's a strong indication that she's open to you making a move. Don't be afraid to take the initiative. By understanding these secret signs, you can finally decode her signals and take the leap towards a potential relationship. Now let's address the fear that holds many guys back: rejection. It's a natural concern, but remember, the worst she can say is no. And even then, if you approach things with confidence and respect, the friendship can usually survive. The bigger regret might be staying stuck in the friend zone and missing out on a chance at something special. So how do you take that leap? Here are some tips. First, calibrate the situation. Is she having a bad day or stressed about something else? Reading the room is key. If the timing feels off, don't force it. But if the vibes are good and you've noticed a cluster of these signs, try escalating the physical touch slightly. A gentle touch on the arm while laughing, or a playful nudge during conversation can gauge her comfort level. If she seems receptive, and the conversation flows naturally, consider a more direct move. Maybe it's an invitation to do something one-on-one outside your usual routine, like grabbing a drink after work or attending a concert you both mentioned. Pay attention to her response. Does she light up at the suggestion, or does she seem hesitant? The key is to be confident, but not overly aggressive. If she seems interested, don't be afraid to be a little bolder. Maybe compliment her in a genuine way or share something personal about yourself. Vulnerability can be attractive and create a deeper connection. Ultimately, the most important thing is to be yourself and have a genuine conversation. If there's a spark, it will become clear. And if not, you'll still walk away with a stronger friendship and valuable knowledge for the future. So ditch the friend zone frustration. By understanding these secret signs, you can finally decode her signals and take the leap. Don't miss your chance at a great relationship. In the comments below, tell us about a time you noticed a woman sending you these signals. What did you do? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing mysteries on the Mind Detective.